I made it for nothing, no turn into something from nothing, yeah.
Let's go from this to this with 4 simple and affordable products. I'm about to teach you how to slay, okay? The first things that you'll need will be a got2b glue freeze spray, mixing bowl plastic spoon, your bleaching powder, and the wig, of course. Thank you so much for being for sending me this gorgeous 28-inch wig with the HD cap. Alright, y'all, so the first thing that we're going to do is grab the got2b glue freeze spray. We're going to spray it all in the lace so that there's no flyaways. And in that process, we're going to start the mixture up. I do not measure, y'all, so the first one is a full scoop. The second one is probably like a half scoop. And then I'm going to go with the 40 developer and pour a little bit. We're going to mix it up to see how much we got to mix. I had to add a little bit more, and this is exactly what your mixture should look like in the end. Alright, y'all, so we better start from the bottom to the top. We're going to be spreading that mixture in. Do not do it hard because you do not want the bleach to seep through to the other side. That will cause over bleaching, over processing, balding, everything in that nature. This is what it should look like, and y'all, this is after the wash out. So you see how brassy that looks? We're going to go in with the blue shampoo, and we're going to go with the purple Shimmer Lights shampoo. That's the before. You don't like the oranginess, so we're about to get rid of that. I'm about to show you exactly how. Follow these next steps. So I'm already put the blue shampoo on, and then I'm about to go in with the purple. I'm going to let it sit for about 10 minutes. I make sure to rub it in very, very good. You'll know that you did this right if your outcome looks exactly how my outcome looks. And you see how I let it sit for a little bit, then I'm going to wash it off. Y'all wait until y'all see how the lace looks after the purple and the blue shampoo. I'm telling you. Y'all see that? Chef's motherfucking kiss, baby. This is a tutorial that you did not know that you actually needed. Y'all, this looks like I scalped myself. Like I took the hair off my head and I put it on my hand. That's what it really looks like. Okay, honey buns, that's it for the video. If this really helped you, feel free to comment, like, and subscribe for more videos.